Welcome to our channel. Watch this video till the end, then you will understand the meaning of this video. Utilizing CHAT GPT for business communication. Introduction. Welcome to this guide on using CHAT GPT for effective business communication. CHAT GPT is an AI-powered language model designed to assist you in various professional scenarios. By following the guidelines in this video, you'll learn how to leverage CHAT GPT to streamline your business communications. Scene 1. Writing professional emails. Setting, office environment, Alice sitting at her desk. Alice. Typing, I have a lot of emails to write. And I need some help making them sound more professional and polished. CHAT GPT. Hello, Alice. I'd be glad to assist you with your emails. Just provide me with the main points or context, and I'll help you draft a professional message. Alice. Providing context. We need to reach out to a potential client to schedule a meeting for discussing our services. CHAT GPT. Drafting. Dear Manohar, I hope this email finds you well. We are excited to explore how our services can benefit your business. Please let me know your preferred date and time, and we'll gladly accommodate your schedule. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Best regards, Manohar. Alice. Thanks, CHAT GPT. This sounds great. I'll make a few adjustments and send it right away. Scene 2. Brainstorming ideas and content. Setting, conference room, Bob and Linda preparing for a marketing campaign. Bob. We need fresh ideas for our upcoming marketing campaign. Let's brainstorm with CHAT GPT. CHAT GPT. Hi, Bob and Linda. I'm here to help. What's the main goal of the marketing campaign? And who is your target audience? Linda. Suggesting, considering your target audience. Social media platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn would be ideal for outreach. Engaging video content showcasing the product's unique features could drive interest and encourage shares. Additionally, partnering with influencers within the same age group could boost visibility and credibility. Lastly, running a limited-time promotion might create a sense of urgency and drive immediate sales. Bob. Excellent suggestions, CHAT GPT. We'll incorporate them into our campaign plan. Scene 3. Conducting market research. Setting, marketing department, James looking for industry insights. James. CHAT GPT, I need some recent market research data for our upcoming presentation. Can you help me with that? CHAT GPT. Of course, James. What specific industry or market are you interested in researching? James. Specifying, I'm looking for the latest trends in the renewable energy sector. CHAT GPT. Presenting findings, the renewable energy sector has experienced significant growth in the past year. Solar power installations have increased by 25%, with wind energy growing by 15%. Additionally, advancements in battery storage technology have led to more reliable renewable energy sources. Industry experts predict continued growth due to increased government support and a growing focus on sustainability among consumers and businesses. James. Thanks, CHAT GPT. This data will add valuable insights to our presentation. Utilizing CHAT GPT in business communication can enhance productivity, creativity, and the overall quality of your interactions. Remember to provide clear instructions and context to get the most relevant and accurate responses from CHAT GPT. As you integrate AI-powered language models into your business processes, you'll find new ways to streamline workflows and improve communication with clients, colleagues, and stakeholders. Thanks for watching our video so far. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Follow our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.